I'm an intern here at the UC Theater in our Concert Career Pathways program, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a behind-the-scenes look today. What is the Concert Career Pathways program, you might ask? It's for people 17 to 25 who want to gain experience in the music industry. Through paid internships and workshops, you have the opportunity to learn all of the technical, business, and creative aspects that go into producing a show. Here you go, David.
Oh, thanks, Bree.
This is David, one of our community engagement interns here at the theater. And here you can stop by and talk to current and former interns about their experiences in the program and learn more about it for yourself. The UC Theater is actually a nonprofit music venue, partially because of the Concert Career Pathways program. If you want to be a part of it, applications are open until May 15th. Sounds like they're getting started in there. Let's go see where the magic happens. Hey, Ivan.
Hey, Bree, what's up?
Ivan is one of our bar operations interns here at the UC Theater. We actually have 4 full-service bars, and our interns have the opportunity to learn not just what goes on during a show, but all of the business that happens beforehand as well. How's it been?
It's been great. I've learned so much. Well, if you guys will excuse me, I have to go take inventory.
Sweet, thanks for chatting.
No problem.
Come with me, I'll show you some more. The great thing about the Concert Career Pathways program is that you can come in with no experience and gain all of the skills that you need to be successful in the music industry. Everything from office to show day, you have the opportunity to learn about marketing, production, talent buying, event management, and more. Come this way and I'll show you some more. For young people 17 to 25 who want to get involved in the music industry, the Concert Career Pathways can be an excellent gateway to gain hands-on experience working alongside industry professionals. Oh, you're still here. I guess that means you want to apply. Go to the uctheater.org right now and fill out your application. They're open until May 15th. Bye. Get out of here. Go apply.